Trujillo, a charming colonial city located on the northern coast of Peru, is a hidden gem that offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and architectural beauty. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, Trujillo boasts a pleasant climate and a plethora of attractions that invite travelers to explore its colonial past, archaeological wonders, and vibrant local scene. The historic center of Trujillo is a treasure trove of colonial architecture, with well-preserved buildings and cobblestone streets that exude an old-world charm. The Plaza de Armas, the heart of the city, is surrounded by elegant facades, including the Trujillo Cathedral and the Casa Urquiaga, which showcase the city's colonial heritage. Trujillo's archaeological wonders include the nearby Chan Chan, the largest adobe city in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Once the capital of the Chimu civilization, Chan Chan's intricate adobe structures and decorative motifs offer insights into the craftsmanship and engineering of ancient cultures. The Huaca del Sol and Huaca de la Luna, two massive pyramid temples from the Moche civilization, provide a window into pre-Columbian history and art. The Huaca's intricate reliefs, murals, and artifacts offer a glimpse into the rituals, beliefs, and artistic achievements of ancient civilizations. Trujillo's vibrant cultural scene is evident in its traditional festivals and celebrations. The Spring Festival, held in September, is a lively event featuring music, dance, and colorful parades that showcase the city's cultural diversity and traditions. For those seeking outdoor adventure, the beaches of Huanchaco are perfect for surfing and relaxing by the sea. Huanchaco's iconic reed boats, known as a Cabalitos de Tot-Ora, harken back to ancient fishing traditions and are still used by local fishermen today. Trujillo's gastronomy reflects the region's rich culinary heritage, blending traditional Peruvian flavors with local specialties. Ceviche, a seafood dish marinated in lime and chili, is a must-try delicacy that captures the essence of coastal cuisine. The National University of Trujillo's Museum of Archaeology, Anthropology, and History houses an impressive collection of artifacts from various ancient civilizations, providing educational insights into the region's cultural heritage. In essence, Trujillo is a destination that embraces the past and present, offering a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether it's exploring archaeological marvels, indulging in local cuisine, immersing in traditional festivals, or simply strolling through its charming streets, Trujillo invites travelers to embark on a journey that celebrates the essence of Peru's diverse heritage and its enduring allure.